Evoto supports importing images from Lightroom, as well as the importing and exporting of Lightroom catalogs, also known as .lrcat files. There are two main ways photographers typically use Evoto alongside Lightroom. The first is by editing selected images from Lightroom. Start with your usual workflow within Lightroom. When you're ready for advanced edits like skin, eyes, or hair, right-click your selected image or images and choose Edit in Evoto. Lightroom will create TIFF files of each image to send to Evoto. Monitor the progress bar within Lightroom. Once it is complete, move over to Evoto for editing. After making your edits in Evoto, it's time to send the files back to Lightroom. Click the Export button and choose Custom Export. Make sure the export destination is set to Original Folder and toggle the button for Replace Non-RAW Original. The file name should be set to Original File Name. Click Export. This will overwrite the TIFF files that Lightroom created and update your Lightroom catalog with the Evoto retouched versions. Please note, if you notice the exclamation point icon in Lightroom, click it and choose Import Settings from Disk to update your image to the new version. You can do this in bulk by selecting multiple images in the grid view. The second way to go from Lightroom to Evoto is editing an entire Lightroom catalog. Step 1. Locate your Lightroom catalog file. If you're not sure where your .lrcat file is stored, go to the Lightroom menu in the upper left corner and select Catalog Settings. In the pop-up window, you'll see the file location listed. Click the Show button to open the folder where your catalog is saved to see your file. Step 2. Import the catalog into Evoto. With your Lightroom catalog already created, open Evoto. Drag and drop your catalog file into the software or select it when creating a new project. If Lightroom is still open, Evoto will prompt you to close it before continuing. If you've applied basic color adjustments in Lightroom and want them carried over, enable the checkbox labeled Import Settings from .lrcat. Please know that local adjustments like advanced masking, lens blur, and perspective correction won't carry over with Lightroom catalog integration. Step 3. Edit in Evoto. Once the catalog is imported, your project will be labeled with a .lrcat tag in the left-hand side panel. From there, continue your usual retouching workflow in Evoto. Step 4. Export from Evoto. When you're ready to export, you have three main options. First, export as .lrcat. Select this if you want to send your edits back into Lightroom. Be sure all images are selected prior to exporting. Next, custom export. Select this if you're done editing and don't plan to return to Lightroom. And finally, export as previous. Select this if your previous edit was a .lrcat file, or if you're finished in Lightroom and want to export using your last exported settings. If you're exporting as a .lrcat file and want to overwrite the original catalog, set Export to as Merge into Original Catalog. If you'd prefer to keep the original untouched, select Export as New Catalog and set your new file path. Creating a new file gives you the option to merge your edits back into the original Lightroom catalog later. If you've made any color adjustments in Evoto, be sure to check the box labeled Include Color Adjustment Parameters to retain those changes when exporting. Under File Settings, selecting Original Format will update your catalog with JPEG images. If you wish for high-resolution images, select the TIFF format prior to exporting your catalog. Once export has finished, reopen your Lightroom catalog to see your Evoto edits reflected within Lightroom. And that's your overview of using Lightroom alongside Evoto. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for editing tips, workflows, and everything you need to succeed with Evoto.